Today is the big day. We will watch Argentina and Brazil play. I still cannot believe this is real.
Good morning, sweetheart. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom. I have been waiting for this day.
I know you are excited. It will be a special memory.
I hope Argentina plays very well today.
And what if Brazil wins?
Please do not say that.
No matter who wins, enjoy the experience.
I think you are right.
There is my future football expert.
Dad, I am already an expert. Can you bring me a football star autograph? I will try my best. The adventure is starting now. This feels like a dream.
Make wonderful memories today.
Thank you, Dad.
Have fun and stay safe, sweetheart.
I cannot wait to tell Mia everything. Elara! Today is finally here! I know! I barely slept last night. These tickets look so special. Now it feels real. Everyone looks so happy today. We are really going to the stadium.
Today will be a very exciting educational trip.
This is already the best school trip ever. Look at the city. It feels so big. Wow. It is even bigger than I imagined. We are finally here.
Please stay together and follow the group.
This place is amazing. I have never seen anything this big before. Football brings so many people together.
Everyone looks so happy today.
Keep your tickets ready.
Wait! Where is my ticket? Please be here. Please be here. Elara, what happened? I cannot find my ticket.
Do not worry. We will find it.
What if I cannot go inside? Check the front pocket one more time.
I found it. Thank goodness.
Thank you for helping me, Mia.
That is what best friends do.
Now we can enjoy the match. Please work.
Yes! We are inside.
Everything looks so beautiful. Can you hear that?
The game is almost starting.
It is even more beautiful than television. There are so many people here. These seats are wonderful. The players are really here. Look at that famous player. Go Argentina! This is the moment we waited for. Everything feels magical. The players look so confident. The energy is incredible. Here we go. The game has started. Come on, Argentina. There is still plenty of time. What a great save! This game is very exciting. They scored! They scored! This is amazing! I will remember this forever. This has been the best day ever. Everyone looks so happy. Would you like some? Thank you, Mia. The second half is starting. This will be exciting. Both teams are playing hard. Anything can happen now. My heart is beating so fast. This could be the chance. Come on, Argentina! What an amazing moment. Just a little longer. Argentina won! This is wonderful!
They worked so hard for this victory.
I will never forget this day. I am so happy we experienced this together. Today was more than a football match. It was a beautiful memory with my friends. Thank you for watching Elara Daily English. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you again soon.